Hi everybody, my name is John Collier. I'm the sales manager at Boss Industrial. I'm going to show you how to quickly assemble and how easy it is to use the 7-ton electric machine, our ES7T20. When it comes in the box, there's a simple assembly instructions. Going to be found in the owner's manual. The only assembly that you really need to do is screw on the operating handle. It's that easy. Now, whenever you go to use the machine, you're going to want it plugged into a good power source. 15 amps, 110 volt. You want to use a good strong cable as opposed to something cheap. It's got to be at least 14 gauge or better. Simply plug that in. The machine's now ready to power on. You can check the oil by standing the machine upright. The oil plug is down here on the end. Just open that up. The dipstick's located at the end of the drain plug. When you go to operate the machine, there's a wing nut down here. You want to loosen that wing nut about 4 or 5 turns. That allows air to move in and out of the machine as it's operating. As that oil heats up and expands, it's going to allow the airflow. That way it doesn't go out of an O-ring or a seal or something of that nature. Power switch located right here in the front. All you do is hit that button and then you can actually operate this. You want to do it about 3 or 4 times before you place any wood on there. That's going to allow the air to expand out or to expel out the vent plug. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Power on. Depress the handle. I'm going to stand down here behind the handle, putting myself in the safety zone. This is where you're going to want to stand when you operate the machine and you split a log. That way, in case the log pops, any pieces fall off in a different direction, you're behind the log in a safe area. Alright, so once you've done that a couple of times, I'm going to grab a log, throw it up here. Always grab the log by the bark, never on the ends. You want to keep your hands away from the blade and away from the ram. You want to push that log firmly against the wedge. Come down here into the safe zone. Stay alert. Keep an eye on the log. Go ahead and operate it. Press that so it'll split that log for you. You see how it split that log? This is pretty stringy wood, but it split it pretty nice. Again, by the bark, against the wedge. When you're finished, simply power down the machine, go ahead and unplug it, clean it up, tighten up your vent plug, and you've just split your wood with your ES7T20. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for buying a Boss.